My brothers and sisters, we have a gift of Allah. It is an amazing gift. Allah has made life so easy for us, one after the other. Things are easy. You get up, you have hot water. You can have a shower. You can get so easily to the masjid. But still we don't go. We are not participating. We are not connected to each other. Come on, we are one family, one big family. We are supposed to solve our matters and problems, respect each other. Look at those who are struggling. What have you done to help them? We like to show off our good deeds. So sometimes we say, my brother, take the camera, put it in front. I'm coming to this person. I'm going to give them $1. I want you to show the people how I'm giving the dollar. So now you walk, pretending like it was all just natural, but it's not natural. It was arranged. And then you want to walk and show the people, oh, how are you? I am fine. What do you need? Here is the money. Subhanallah. What subhanallah? You should be saying, A'udhu Billah. You know why? You are showing off. What do you want to show off for? If someone else gave you the money to say, please give it to someone, a third party, maybe you can take a picture to show that I gave it. That's fine. But if you want to show off and boast, then you are losing your good deeds. No boasting in Islam. We are not showing off our deeds. We don't want to do something for anyone besides Allah. Ar-riya, to show off, is a form of association of partners with Allah. It is wrong. So let's do things between us and Allah. When we want to show off and we want to show the whole world I'm doing sujood, I remember there was one man, long back when we first saw the photos, when he was going to sujood, one hand was on the phone like this, and the other hands were down. The other hand was down and the legs were down. Umirtu an asjuda ala sab'ati a'zum. The hadith says, I have been instructed to do prostration on 7 bones. Do you know what are the 7 bones? One is that of the face, the forehead and the nose. Then the 2 hands, that makes it 3. Then the knees, which makes it 5. And then the tips of your toes, which makes it 7. But if you have a phone in one hand, it's only 6. It's only how many? 6. Imagine you are going to sujood, phone in one hand. A'udhu billah, a'udhu billah. Nowadays, at least that doesn't happen as bad as that. But sometimes someone else is videoing. Yes, if it is just a normal video, no problem. But if you are planning to show off, then there is a problem.